So, what I did right here was, very simply, I executed this artificial pinch harmonic, and utilizing my thumbnail here, and utilizing this pointer finger, and then striking this harmonic on the 7th fret, 2nd string. And then I allowed myself to go to this 5th fret, striking this artificial pinch harmonic on the 1st string and 2nd string on this 5th fret here. And then doing this beautiful slap harmonic on the 7th and 5th. And then with this, letting this ring out, this E string, sliding then through this to the 5 and 7, and then ending on this 8th.